Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to remove see options from Facebook profile. Have you ever opened your Facebook profile and wondered if you could remove those see options button entirely? I had the same question, and after exploring the settings, I realized they're actually built into Facebook's interface. There's no direct switch to turn them off, but here's what you can control: how much people are able to see when they visit your profile. What I usually do is head to the top right corner, open my profile menu, and tap on Settings and Privacy, then go straight into Settings. From there, scroll until you find Audience and Visibility. This section is where everything happens. You can adjust who sees your posts, stories, followers, and even how people find and contact you. If you limit those friends, or even only me, fewer interaction choices appear publicly because there's less content available to engage with. So while the See Options label itself can't be removed, tightening your privacy settings significantly reduces what others can access. It's not about deleting the feature, it's about controlling your visibility. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.